If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, fabric collage artist, or journal maker, welcome to Anitavee Textile Designs, curated fabrics for texture, warmth, and depth. This week begins my Foundation Bundles collection, grounded materials to support your creative base. Okay, we're starting off with our soft neutrals pack from our foundations series. The first piece is a wool blend felt. The color is charcoal, and you can see a little variation in the coloring in the fibers there. You will notice that this doesn't have any sheen, so you know you have a good quality piece. That's our first piece. The next piece in our bundle is bleached muslin. Okay, this is just like your traditional muslin, except it's been bleached white. So I'm sure most of you are familiar with muslin. So that's what we have on our second piece. The third piece in our bundle is ivory color broadcloth. Broadcloth has a tighter weave than muslin, but it's similar in weight. This is also a good foundation piece for your projects. The next piece in our bundle is another piece of wool blend felt. This color is cream, and as you can see, there's no sheen there. It's a nice weight, very good quality wool. Wool blend. So that's the next piece. Now we have a piece of 100% linen. This is a very nice piece. It's lighter in weight and it has a softer hand. It reminds me of a softened type linen. This color is gray. Little bit of see-through there, not much. The next piece is also 100% wool. Now this is an oatmeal colored, but it's closer to the natural state. When you look closely, you can see the little specking in there. So it hasn't been dyed, hasn't been super processed, and it's a little stiffer in flow too. The next piece that we have is an unbleached muslin. This is a basic piece that I'm sure most of you are familiar with and have worked with. I believe this one is the wrinkle resistant variety. And our last piece is a caramel tan broadcloth with a tighter weave. It's a cotton blend, and the coloring is similar to like a deep golden tan. So it will go with quite a few different pieces because it is a neutral color. So this completes our soft neutrals bundle. All pieces in our soft neutrals packet measure 8 by 10 inches. Use these as backgrounds for slow stitching, journal pages, and layered collage. In addition to the soft neutrals pack, 2 different foundation bundles in larger sized cuts are also available. Be sure to check out all 3 in my shop. New videos every Tuesday, sneak peeks every Thursday. Join my VIP list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order. Links to VIP list and bundles are in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you Thursday for a sneak peek into next week's bundle.